Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are thinking about giving your home a makeover but are not sure where to start, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the future of interior designing with the 3 best AI tools for home interior design in 2024. Whether you are a designing pro or just getting started, these tools will make your life a whole lot easier. So, let's get creative. First up, we have Planner 5D. This tool is perfect for those who want to visualize their space in both 2D and 3D. With AI-powered features, Planner 5D lets you create detailed floor plans, experiment with different layouts, and even furnish your space with a wide range of furniture options. The best part, it's super intuitive, so even if you are not technology savvy, you will be designing like a pro in no time. Need inspiration? The AI can generate design ideas based on your preferences. Plus, it's available on both desktop and mobile, so you can design on the go. Next on our list is House Pro. House Pro known for being a hub for designing inspiration. House Pro has stepped up its game with AI-driven tools. This platform is great for both homeowners and professionals alike. You can create mood boards, find products that match your style, and even get AI recommendation for color schemes and furniture arrangements. One standout feature is its visual match tool. Just snap a picture of any room and the AI will suggest similar products that fit your style. It's like having a personal interior designing in your pocket. Last but definitely not least is Modsi. If you are looking for a more personalized touch, Modsi is the way to go. Their AI tool creates a 3D model of your space, but here's the kicker. You get paired with a professional designer who refines your ideas and makes them a reality. Modsi's AI takes your preferences and budget into account, delivering custom designs that you can view in 3D. You can even purchase the recommended furniture directly through the platform, making the whole process seamless. And there you have it, the 3 best AI tools for home interior design in 2024. Whether you are looking to redesign a single room or your entire home, these tools offer something for everyone. So, which one are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching and happy designing.